friends, I remain tutor K2 Sokoli. We have another challenge today on the board, an Olympiad maths. If x to the power 3 plus x is equal to 222, then what is x? Watch with me. Solution. I have x to the power 3 plus x equal to 222. I will move 222 from the right to the left. X to the power 3 plus x minus 222 is equal to 0. But 222 is the same as 216 plus 6, because 216 plus 6, this and this is 12. Move 1 here, that gives me 222. So I can now write it as x power 3 plus x minus 216 minus 6 equal to 0. Because when I add it up, it will give me exactly 222. The reason why I did that is because from 216, I can get a number to the power of 3. And that number is 6. So I will write it as x raised to the power 3 plus x, then minus 6 raised to the power 3. That is the reason why I made 222 to be in form of 216 and 6. So that I can get 6 raised to the power 3, since I have x raised to the power 3 here. Okay? Then minus 6 is equal to 0. It is moving in order. Please share my videos and also subscribe. Moving forward, I can move this to the front to have it as x to the power 3 minus 6 to the power 3. Then plus this x minus 6 is equal to 0. You can now apply difference of two cubes. Okay? Which says that if I have a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3, it is equal to a minus b multiplying a squared plus ab plus b squared. When we multiply these two brackets, it will give us exactly a to the power 3 minus b to the power 3. I am now going to use this concept to expand the x raised to the power 3 minus 6 raised to the power 3. Here, a is x and b is 6. Therefore, it will result to this. Remember, subscribe and watch to the end. You will learn such that you can apply it. Therefore, x to the power 3 minus 6 to the power 3 can now be written as x minus 6 into x squared, then minus plus 6x plus 6 squared, which is 36. This is very correct. X minus 6, that is this. Then squaring this, x squared, 6 times x, 6x, and then 6 squared plus 36. Then I have written x power 3 minus 6 power 3 in this form. But what is left now is x minus 6. So I put it plus x minus 6 equal to 0. It is moving well. Now, you can see with me x minus 6 here, x minus 6 here. It can be factored out to become x minus 6 into x squared plus 6x plus 36, then plus 1. Okay? Everything is equal to 0. Therefore, I can have x minus 6 into x squared plus 6x plus 37 equal to 0. From here, the first bracket, x minus 6 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 6. I have gotten the value of x. From the second bracket, x squared plus 6x plus 37 equal to 0. Using quadratic formula, where a is 1, B equal to 6, and C equal to 37. Using the idea of data, okay, I want to find more values of x. But before that, I want to see if this quadratic equation will give us complex roots or real roots. And to check that, I use data that says that data is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, if data is greater than 0, it means that the values of x in this quadratic equation will be real. Okay? Real roots. And if data is less than 0, it will be complex. And when it is complex, we reject it. So let us find out if the quadratic equation here from the second bracket will be a complex, will give us a complex root or a real root. So substitute into this formula for data. B is already 6 and 6 squared, so data is equal to 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by A multiplied by C, which is 37. What is it going to be? Now, this is 36 minus 37 multiplied by 4. 4 into 7 is 28. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2, which is 14. Okay? 4 into 7 is 28. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2. That will give us 14. So I have minus 14. Meaning that 4 times 1 times 37 will give me minus 148. But then 148 minus 36. This is 2. This is 1. So that is going to give me minus 112. What does it mean? It implies that data is less than 0. Therefore, it will give us complex roots. And because of that, we reject that. Rejected. What does it mean? That x squared plus 6x plus 37 should be rejected because the values of x will be complex roots. In conclusion, the value of x that we need, that is real, is equal to 6. And therefore, our answer here is going to be 6. Without wasting time, you can decide to check the result on your own. What does it mean? That x cubed plus x is equal to 222. So, when x is raised to the power 3 here, plus, that is x is 6. 6 raised to the power 3 plus 6. Would this be equal to 222? You can test it. But 6 raised to the power 3 is 216 plus 6. Is this 222? You can see 222 is equal to 222. Implying that the value of x, which is real, equal to 6 is very correct. Thank you, dear friends. Please watch, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.